2023 Mercedes-Benz GLS. With less than 57,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll absolutely love all of the included premium features such as automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, panoramic roof, moonroof. We'll help you find exactly what you're looking for.